On October the 9th, 2025, at approximately 3:29 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were searching for two armed robbery suspects.
Before I lost him, but he was running eastbound, cutting north towards shit, and I believe he kept going eastbound.
During the search, an officer caught one of the suspects after a short foot pursuit.
Copy, orange country.
Oh, yeah.
Is something one? The other one?
Here's his phone, brother.
Get out.
All right, now get him out of here.
We'll get him out of here. Another one? There's two? So we still got one more out.
While responding to the area, a Columbus police sergeant with 14 years of experience was flagged down by a victim who stated two men had just pointed guns at him.
What's up, bud? The one we were looking for, we got back there in Indianola.
There's two guys right here. There's one of them put the gun on me.
Where at?
They run that way.
What do they look like?
One with the long hair, he looks like Hispanic, and another black kid. Where the black kid wearing a white shirt, and the other guy wearing a hoodie. I don't know if it was gray.
Which one had a gun?
The guy with the hoodie.
Okay. Did they take anything from you?
No. They was trying to come to my business. My business is right here. They told me they're gonna come and they're gonna do shit.
Okay. And they're walking this way?
I gotta show you. They went behind the library.
Okay.
And they have a gun.
Okay.
They pulled the gun on us.
Okay.
The sergeant began searching for the remaining suspect and located him shortly thereafter. When the suspect refused to stop and was seen holding a firearm, the sergeant fired multiple rounds to prevent the armed suspect from escaping.
Get your hands up!
There's 17, we're at 9th and Indianola, we don't see it.
Get your hands up, I'm gonna shoot you! That's not four, got one running! Eastbound, man, back right here, he's got a 33! Show your hands, I'll shoot you!
Copy,
10-3, shots fired! Need a 24! Stay away from that gun, I'll shoot you again! Do not move! Stay on the ground!
Where are you?
1444 North High Street. Do not move! S94, stage of 24, do not have them come in.
What's that location?
Ready?
You alright?
Yep, I'm good.
Let's check right and left.
He's good. The gun's up by his hands, above his head. You see it?
Yep. Do not move! Do not move!
I see the left, I don't see the right.
Can anyone advise is this PO involved? Don't move! Don't move!
Go out to the right, I'll dig left.
The suspect, 18-year-old Tashawn Davis, did not survive.